Page 78, Transformer 2. At the top of page 78, they're introducing you or suggesting the improv idea number 12. Hopefully you've listed these out because you want to keep using them over and over and over. So keep reviewing them. Kind of eventually you'll get them all memorized to know what they are. You don't need to know the number or the order they're in. You just need to know what they are. So now they're giving you number 12. And that's where it's just the opposite of the other one we had where we can shorten rhythms. This is where you'll lengthen the rhythms. So when you have two notes of the same pitch, like they're showing eighth notes, lengthen it and make it a quarter note. So they're showing you at the top, you're changing eighth notes to quarter notes or quarter notes to half notes, and that's really what it is. You're altering the rhythm. We've had several examples of altering the rhythm. Take a look at transformer number 2. They're giving you the asterisks and they're telling you those are the notes they'd like you to alter or where you can alter. So if you play those in the right hand as they're written, it's 1 and 2 and 3. Just 1 and 2 and well, if I change it to what they're suggesting instead of eighth notes, I'm going to play quarter notes. 1 and 2. I'm going to change that to a half note, and that's all they're doing. Actually, they wrote it out for you in the last line. But the idea is not to read the notes in the last line when improvising in the first line. The idea is that it's the mindset. You see notes and you're intentionally changing things. And it's a different mindset than just reading exactly what's there. That's really all it is. Fingering wise, use the fingering they've got. The D flat to the B flat, 5/4. That's good. And then reach down, second finger on the F. And again, etc. Just use their fingering, you're fine. For the left hand, you just have this 1 and 2. I tend to use 5 and 2 on the B flat F on the first one because we have this pattern. And when I see this pattern, it's very common, I will use second finger on the first one. So the thumb isn't doing all of them. Use thumb if you want to, but I also don't. Let's try this out slowly on Transformer 2 and just have fun with it. Now it is repeated. So what I suggest we do is the first time through we play it exactly as written. Then when we repeat it, we improvise the first line like they're suggesting. We lengthen the notes. So I'll give us 4 counts. Hands where they go. Okay. 1 and 2 and ready and go and... improvise.